Okay, professionals, today is all about health and your sex life. Ooh, I said it. I know it can be taboo, but listen, in my coaching business, no topic is off limits because it helps me understand what might be happening to you so we can create the best plan in the short term and the long term, and one that is sustainable for you. So often we talk about the impact of your health based on you making improvements. Let's talk about the impact of when you don't make improvements on something that we usually shy away from talking about. But here's the deal. We're busy, you're professional, you've got a lot of people counting on you, work day is stressful. Guess what? When we don't take care of ourselves, by the time we get home, you don't even mentally have the desire to. Number two, all of a sudden, you know what? You aren't eating well, you aren't exercising consistently. Physically, are you even able to? Number three, do you have the actual stamina for it, right? Because now you're going to try to potentially avoid the situation. Number four, now let's talk about the mental anguish of if you are having performance issues, the stress that creates around avoidance, around not sharing it, around understanding what is happening to you. You're going to try to pull away, and that creates a rift in your home, in your dating life. So listen, that is your call to action. That should be your motivation right there to get up, make some changes so you can start to enjoy the simpler things in life again.